What's good, YouTube? It's T Who? It's T Who Rolls. Ah! You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey. Oh, hey, yo, hey. Now let's no, but today, you know what I'm saying? Today, me and you, we're going to be reacting to top 100 most popular anime soundtracks. If you don't know what that means, we're talking about OSTs, like musics that be in the like background musics when the show is playing. You know what I'm saying? When the anime is playing. You know, we about to look into that because I don't really like when I watch anime. I don't really like pay attention to the background like music. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. You know, so like it's like kind of like 50-50. So, but today we're gonna be actually be like listening for real this time. And you know what I'm saying. Without further ado, oh, I forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We close to 100 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I know it may not seem a lot to you guys, but it's a lot to me. So 100, you know what I'm saying? About to go crazy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's start this video. Ooh. It's like a medieval. Oh. That Hunter goes crazy. I like that. That girl is like that was really good. That was really good. Yeah, what y'all know about this, man? What y'all know about this? I need a hero. The pain. This is a good one. This is a good one. Y'all should definitely watch Spirit Man for sure. Another one, Naruto again. I recommend watch Bubble, watch Bubble, watch Bubble, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Hold on, I like that part where it'd be like dun 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 some dun 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 dun. It was like dun 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 dun. That was really good. Peak. This is peak OST right here. See, for me, I love how I love when the OTSs are actually having having the singers like sing in the OSTs. Those are fire. Those are the type of OSTs I like. I don't know about the ones with just the music, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, that was good. Hey, the OG, bro. OG, what y'all know? Dun, 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 dun. It's not bad. It's not bad. I love that piano. Usually most OSTs have like pianos. I kind of realized that. Just say set run. It's not bad. Half the OSTs I like. Oh, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. This whole like this is my favorite one so far. I like that. The guitar. Oh, that was so good. Sad. This sounds sad. This sounds sad. Coming from my mind. What go that way? You feel like number one, shining bright. Oh no, this is gonna pray for me. Then they're gonna kill me. Oh god, that was crazy. It's a good song, man.
I had wondered the words forever, but came upon you're bigger, bigger. Why do you hide? I was shiver.
Oh, I don't know.
And it's always like that in the evening.
Oh, this is funny.
リンクスの酒を届けに行くよ海から
This is my one. This is good. This is good. This is good. Crazy. How's Moving Castle? Bro, the ones with literally the ones with the pianos, they make it seem like it's sad, you know? Cause like for me, a piano when the piano's playing, it's like a tone or a mood for sorrow. You know what I'm saying? It's like I don't know. Break down, break down. Nah, I'm not feeling this one. Nah. Oh, I know this one. Oh no. Da 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 da. Oh, this one was good. This one was good. This was good. Some action. Didn't we not already go through this one? Now you feel like number one, shining bright for. Da, da. Oh, he has a nice voice. Oh, this was the one I liked in this one.
I know I've let you down. It just keeps tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down.
Oh, this go crazy.
どこから話せばいいんだろう待ちくそう愛のために泣けるのは君もうすぐ溶けられるじもう君と集まって星座になれたら星降る
世界が君の小さな肩にの大丈夫になりたい大丈夫 Many days have passed like this Lashy sky
I never knew this was for the Tokyo Ghoul. This from Tokyo Ghoul, but I've heard it before, and this was crazy. This was actually crazy.
Lashy sky
That was good. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Attack on Titan has a lot of OSTs. Nah, I'm not feeling this one. Nah. Every time a Titan used to pull up, this is this guy. This is the song. That's crazy, man. Car log. Is this an anime? I just realized Bucci the Rock, all of their OSTs are like them actually singing. It's not instrumentals. It's not instrumental plays, you know? And that's really creative too. 言わない約束をないあなたの歌これるにまただただでやりたま知らっても I another one I know.
どこから一つの夢
Lost a bright a month ago. I'm crying.
Nice voices, bro. Nice voices. Bro, more Attack on Titan? Damn.
You will know you're reborn tonight
このまま僕たちの声が最高先生でも認めたく
What am I doing?
What am I going? Hero too, I am a hero too. My heart is sad. Oh, this one is so. What is this one? Did we not already see this? Or am I tripping? Either way, brother, I like that part. I could have sworn I heard this already too. This one is like, it's like, this song was from a SpongeBob anime. Actually, I remember a SpongeBob anime on YouTube. It was on YouTube. And the openings for that SpongeBob anime, one of them had this song in it, and it was crazy. It was crazy. Who knows? I'll do a reaction to that. Maybe.
父の言葉がフラタイムフライヤー時を駆け上がるクライマ
I like this one. I love the violin. I love the violin. That's a violin. I'm pretty sure. I love how it like adds up with the dun 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 dun. That's really good. Oh wow. Oh, okay. This one's not bad. Oh, I like that. Well, that was really good. Wow, this might be my favorite. Oh, I love that one. That one's my favorite. That one was crazy. That one was crazy.
支配者も神もどこか他に君がくれた勇気だから
My favorite JoJo OST. Go the wind. Another one by OD. Hold on. No, bro. When I heard this song and I saw the scene that was playing with the song, it was sad. that's the So far, this is my favorite song by Ado. It's my favorite song. Come back, sit down, yeah, give me light that.
まだこの世界は
まだこの世界は
僕を変え運命だとか未来とか
Piano in the background, bro.
目を覚ましたかい君の全然前世
Ooh, I like that. Kimi no zen zen zen. Ooh.
覚ましたかい君の全
Zen
然
zen zen This is a good one. Bro, what are they doing to me, bro? Demons. When I saw this scene, bro, I was crying. I was literally crying, bro. Number 1. Ooh, that part was good. That was good. That was really good. That was good. I like the background too. I love that background. I love the. That was really good. That was really good. I'm not gonna lie, these OSTs, I keep saying OTSs, but these OSTs, they're crazy. They're actually crazy. I'm not gonna lie, my favorite out of all of this, I'm gonna be honest, it's probably the Evan Glade, I don't remember. It's the Evan something. I have to find it. It's like right here. Yeah, Evan Galen. Yvonne Jillian. That one was my favorite. That was my favorite, bro. This one's my favorite. That one was my favorite. That one was definitely my favorite for sure. For sure. Wow. This was crazy. This was crazy because I told you I don't really listen to OSTs like that, but this one was crazy. I might save this one specifically to my playlist. But you know what I'm saying? It's just crazy, bro. It's just crazy. But you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and like, share. You know what I'm saying? Like I said in the beginning of the video, we're close, really close to 100. You know what I'm saying? 100 might not be a lot to you guys, but it's a very big amount to me. You know what I'm saying? Just imagine 100 people in one singular room. So it's crazy. It's actually insane. I'm gonna say it again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video. Comment down below which number or which specific like OST from this video you like the most. You know, nothing too crazy. I hope you guys have a blessed stay. I keep saying that, but I hope you guys stay blessed. God is always with you. You know what I'm saying? Trust, believe in God. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see you guys until next time. Bye.